All right, our next topic is all about the helping verb. Helping verb. When we say helping verb or HB, it always supports the main verb. Main verb, meaning yung totoong action word. So for example, she is writing. So this is the subject. Ang main action word is writing. So dito, ito yung main verb. The helping verb is. Ngayon, what's the difference between helping verb and linking verb? Linking verb doesn't have the main verb. Wala siyang main verb. Kasi si linking verb, siya yung main verb. For example, she is beautiful. So we have here the subject and the adjective. So ito na yung main verb. Kaya siya ay linking verb. Siya na yon. Kasi siya na rin yung verb na tumatayo, meaning pang present. Okay? Maganda siya ngayon. She was beautiful. Hindi na ngayon. Okay? So we have three families of helping verb. We have the helping verb to be, infinitive form to be, helping verb to do, and to have. Sa helping verb to be, divide natin sa dalawa ha. Present, past. Ganun din to. Present, past. Same din yung to have. Present, past. Tapos, ihiwalay natin ang singular, plural. Yan. So, helping verb to be, pag singular, ito yung tinatawag nating am, tsaka is. Pagka present at plural, ito yung are. Pag past naman, ito yung was. Pag plural, yes, were. Okay? Pag helping verb to do, pag present, ito yung do or does. Pag plural, no. Ay, tama. I do. Tama, oo. Do and does. Tapos, pag plural, same lang din siya. Do. Pasok din siya sa do, di ba? Pag past, nag-iisa na lang siya. Did. Pag helping verb to have, parang same lang din to. Ito yung has or have. Pag plural, ito ay same pa rin, have. Bakit siya nagsisame, sir? Kasi dito papasok yung helping, yung pronoun na second person na you. Kasi si you, pwede siyang singular, pwedeng plural. Siya yun, ha? Pag pass, ito yung had. Yan. Apply natin sa pronoun. Any question? Tatlo lang siya. I-apply naman natin sa pronoun. Lipat natin sa pronoun. Picturing. Let's do it in pronoun. Let's do it in pronoun. So, subjective, personal. Dito tayo. Personal pronoun. Tapos subjective. Hatiin natin sa dalawa. Singular, plural. Tapos, hatiin natin sa person. First person, second person, third person. Yan. Okay. Itong second person, iganyan na natin. Yan. Pero, lagyan din natin ng present, past. Para hindi malito. Sa plural, ganun din. Present, past. Anong first person pronoun? Singular? I, which is the speaker. Pag plural? We. Pag second person, it's both singular and plural. You. Pag third person, he, she, it. And plural? They. Pag objective, them. Naka-subjective lang muna tayo. Kasi sila yung laging katabi ng subject sa sentence. Okay? So, let's do the helping verb to be. Is exclusively here. I am. Exclusive siya sa first person singular. First person singular subjective personal pronoun. Then is naka-exclusive contract siya dito. He is, she is, it is. It is. Hindi it is. It is. Parang nagsasalita ka, di ba tayo? Oy, nice to meet you. Pero pag American accent, it's me. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Me. Meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah, ganon. Pero iba yung kay oh, nice to meet you. Iba yung ganon. Yes. Nice to meet you. Ito, para maging American English, native American English, bibilisan siya. Mabilis, pero may flap, may cut na T. Nice to meet you. Yung iba naman, yung iba may CH. Nice to meet you. Meet you too. Pero iba, nice, ako naman, flap lang, cut. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Nice to, may letter T kasi, kaya nagtutunog ano. May T, schwa sound, kaya nagtutunog Amerikano. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Pag nagtatanong tayo sa English, di ba, what? What? Pero technically, you have to cut the T. Pwedeng what? What did you say? What did you say? What lang, what? What did you say? Yeah. What? Kaya nga, di ba? What is going on, di ba? Sabi mo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Ganon. Para tinuturo ko yung liaison, just in case may makausap kayong Amerikano, hindi ko siya maintindihan, ikaw na nga. Ganon. And you can practice it watching English American movies. Tingnan nyo sila mag-recite ng script. Ganon. Okay? Then go. Then next is, are. Are is exclusively here. Are, we are, they are. Mga plural. Plural, okay? Next is was. Helping verb past tense was. Here, I was. He was. Yan. Then, were is applicable here. We were. You were. They were. Yan. Kasi puro plural. Plural. Diba? Now, let's go to helping verb to do. Diba tayo, pag Pilipino, let's go to helping verb to do. Yeah? Antigas. Pero you can soften your tongue. Let's go to the helping verb to do. To do. Yan. Pero kailangan natin galingan kasi ang mga bata ang gagaling. Yung mga toddlers, their accent, their pronunciation, grabe. Tapos yung nanay, hold it, baby. Diba? Mom, do not say that. I really hate your accent, mommy. I'm sorry, anak. Diba? So let's go to helping verb to do. Do is first person, I do, you do, we do. Puro plural to. Tama. We do. We do and they do. Yan. However, does is exclusively for third person. He does, she does, it does. Hindi pwedeng he do the interview. He does the interview. He does. Exclusive. Then did is for all. I did, we did, you did, they did, and he did, she did, it did. Yung letter D, nilalagyan ko ng letter Z. Did. Did. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, did. Pero yung pag Pilipino, I did, you did. Kasi in practicing the vowel sa Filipino, da, de, di, do, do. However, if you're going to apply the American accent, it should be da, de, di, do, do. Tate, tito, tu. Tate, tito, tu. Yes. Kaya pag kinausap mo si Sia at nagganyan ka, very normal. Ikaw lang parang ang pangit sa akin pakinggan. Pero sa anak mo, it's normal to them. Di ba? Pati TH, kailangan ilalabas mo, hindi naman normal to them. Okay? Let's go to helping verb to have. Hindi have. Kasi tayo, uy, may ham ka? May ham pa kayo? It should be ham. Di ba? So, let's do the helping verb to have. So, may letter V, di ba? Pero sa atin, to have. Pero it should be emphasized the V sound, to have. Yes, lagi nyo emphasize yan. So, I have. Kaya nga di ba pag kumanta tayo, I have two hands, the left and the right. Di ba? Di ba? Pero we have to practice it kasi mas magaling sa atin ng mga bata because of the social media and the internet as well. So we have to practice it while singing, I have two hands, hindi hands, hands, the left and, may tiha, the left and the right. Diba? So clear and bright, clap, tayo clap hand softly, 1, 2, 3. Tayo, 1, 2, 3. Tree is the puno. Tree. But if you're pertaining for the number, there's a TH compared to this. This pronounces tree, schwa. This pronounces the soft TH, 3. Yes. 3, tree. Kinurek ako dyan na nasa call center ako nung call center. Kasi pag normal na nasa call center ako, kinurek ako na Amerikano dito. What is my number, sir? Your number, the tracking number is 0135. What do you mean 3? Ay, na-insulto talaga ako. Tapos ko, shit, mali. Then I noticed it should be 3. 1, 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. Walang tunog, di ba? Hangin lang to. Ito naman may tunog, may laway. Again, pag nangihinayin sa laway, saluhin. Tapos pag nag-goodbye na tayo, ibalik na lang, ha? Okay. I have, we have, you have, they have. However, has is exclusively here. She has, he has, it has. Kaya mali yung she have the ball. No, she has the ball. Diba? Then, however, had is applicable to all. Had, hindi had ha, had. Had, you had, they had, she had, he had, it had. And that's the connection of helping verb to pronoun. So these are the three types. Yan. The difference. Yan. Any more question? And if you have question, don't hesitate to answer your own question because that is your question. That is not mine.